guys, it's Angie and I'm with
Samaya.
And today we're doing ABG makeup. Okay, so first we're gonna use our face primer. So now we're gonna go in with foundation. I'm using this one by CoverGirl. Let's see. I'm just putting it all everywhere. Now we're gonna do concealer, and I'm using this glossier one.
And I'm using the one from Juvia's Place. Not sure if it's gonna focus.
So bright. Now we're gonna use powder for our faces, and I'm using the kimchi shake.
I hope this is gonna be true.
Is it working?
It's working. It's drying.
Yeah,
Oh my goodness! We look so far away.
So now we're gonna do blush, and I'm gonna be using this one. This pink. I'm gonna be using
Maybe I can go over it with that blush.
Now we're gonna use Becca. So now we're gonna use bronzer. I'm using this one.
And I'm using the Charlotte Tilbury.
Oh, that's kind of dark as fuck. I'm gonna show them my juice.
Awkward.
We're gonna use our highlighter, and I'm using this Dior one. I'm going with this and this. Can you even see it?
Oh, put it above your Cupid's bow.
Oh.
What did they do for the eyes? Like a nude?
Oh, they did like brown.
Okay.
Most of the time they did like brown, but I might just put some brown too.
While we're at it, I'm gonna go over my cream contour with powder contour because I almost forgot.
So we're gonna go on with eyeliner now. I'm using this one. But
YouTube hand. So the sun is going down and now the room light is taking over, so it might not look as good.
our mascara, and I'm using the telescopic.
And I'm using the Maybelline Total Temptation in brown.
Ooh. So now we're gonna do brows, and I'm using this one.
And I'm using the e.l.f.
So I'm using the YSL lipstick. And then I'm using the Sephora one that pink. Okay.
One of those.
Okay, now we can use our setting spray.
Okay. Did I get the other side? Okay. And you let it air dry.
I don't know. Okay, ooh, it's kind of cute. So now we're gonna get into our ABG outfits. We're gonna change now.
Finished look! So let's, do you want to show them the makeup? Whoa, that's really zoomed in. Okay. So this is Andy's makeup, super cute. Now her outfit.
Okay, look at you. So this is Samaya's makeup. Isn't she beautiful? And this is her outfit.
All black. True ABG girl.
Yep.
This is Angie's final ABG look. From head to toe, she's ABG'd out. Okay, that's cute.
That was the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.
Bye! Booty heads!
Okay, shoot. That's what I got. Bye.